This is Steve Black from Business Success Training, and I want to do a quick run through, little lesson on how you can run a ad from your business page. What we are is logged in to one of our clients' accounts, Tana Gruber. She's a new home salesperson, and she wants to go ahead and run an ad that will be promoted to realtors to go ahead and get create exposure for her subdivision. So the first, we've already created a custom audience by uploading a spreadsheet of the realtors that she's identified that she wants to get her ad in front of. So I'm going to go ahead and go to this upper arrow here. Rather than using Boost Post, we're going to have more options by using the ad editor. There's also another one out there called the Power Editor. It's a little more complicated, so we're going to just use this one today. So all I did is hit the drop down menu. I went to create ads, and I'm just waiting for Facebook to do its thing. We're going to come to an interface which is going to offer us different options, whether it's video views or engagement. I'm going to go after engagement for this one. Actually, let's go after video views because we are going to promote a video. So I'm going to go ahead and go to video views. And this is going to be video views maximized to about 4,800 realtors that are in a 10-mile radius of where she's at. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to name this ad Ripple, which is what we made it with, 314 the sales price, June 20th, July 20th, the date that we're uploading this, and we're going to go ahead and make this for video views. So this will be easy to find later on. Now, here's where the magic happens. Since we've created a custom audience, and that audience can be, a sphere of people it could come out of your past customer list. Let's say you downloaded all the contacts from your CRM to your computer. It could even be your LinkedIn contacts. If you exported your LinkedIn contacts, created a CSV, now you're advertising to people you're connected to on another network. The ad will be run from her business page. But we've created an audience. So now when I go to custom audience, you'll see that it shows up here that she has a custom audience created with 4,800 people in it. This is the list that we did in another lesson where we uploaded. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and not have to worry about any of this aging stuff or location, because these are all people that are in a custom list. We've got a potential reach of 4,300 people, estimated daily reach of 1,000 to 2,200 people, and that's based on her budget of $20 a day. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and make this $40 a day, this number would increase. But I want to go ahead and just spread this out, drip it out over time. So I'm going to go back to $20 a day. That could be as little as $1 a day. Let's do $5 a day, just to give you guys an example. So that could be anywhere from 310 of these people to 1,000 people a day are going to go ahead and see this ad. So she told me that we could ramp this up pretty strong. So I'm going to go ahead and make this $25 a day. I'm going to go ahead and do a start and end date, July 22nd, which is today. And we'll go to July 28th, okay? So that's going to be an ad for 6 days, and the maximum that you can invest is $150, okay? I'm going to press continue. Now I could either create a new ad or use an existing post. I'm going to choose to create an existing post of a video that she uploaded. She created a video through an app called Ripple, R-I-P-L, where she uploaded about 7 or 8 pictures of her subdivision property. She then superimposed text over it. She did a great job of this, and now she posted it to her business page. If she doesn't promote it, not a lot of people are going to see it. So I want to go ahead and make sure as many people see this as possible. And we want to make sure they're not random people, but they're the right people, people that are realtors that could bring her buyers at her property. So she's got a couple Facebook pages set here. So I'm going to choose Bent Tree Fairways. And now it's going to go ahead and allow us to choose one of the posts that she made. And I'm going to choose this one that says new construction, pool size lot. Irreplaceable view. Now she could tweak this out, and add, in Sarasota, new construction, hashtag, Bent Tree Fairways. There's different things that she could tweak this out with. But this is the original post. This is how it looks in the mobile. This is how it's going to look in the desktop. This is how it would look in instant articles. And this is how it's going to look in FaceStream video. Now, because it's over 15 seconds, it won't automatically stream in those videos. It won't do it on the desktop either. Okay, so we're going to go back to see how it looks on the mobile. And then what we're going to do is we can certify compliance. What they're making sure there is that you're not excluding certain groups or redlining properties, but since this has got the realtors, that's a non-issue, so we're compliant. And she needs to create a pixel. So I'm going to do that here for her real time. This will be Tanya Gruber's pixel. And then she'll be able to track the people that watch it. So I'll go ahead and I'll do track all conversions with her pixel. And then she can run a second ad. She would install that on her website or her blog. There's also features in Facebook now where she could retarget an ad. Let's say she gets this in front of 4,800 people over the week. Each of them sees it 2 or 3 times. Let's say 1,000 of them decide to watch it. She can retarget those people with another ad that says, hey, if you are looking for great properties to show, here's more information on it, or here's the other inventory we have in this market. It's called retargeting. But anyways, so it was real simple. All we did was go ahead and she's already linked her Instagram account, so this will show on Instagram. We've chose our audience, we've chose our ad, and now we're going to go ahead and place the order. And then we'll be able to check back in a few days. We'll be able to see that, she was able to spend $100 of her $150 budget. She was able to get in front of 4,800 people, and she was able to, the average number of times that they each saw it was 3. She'll have a complete menu in her ad managers that she can monitor. She'll be able to see how many people watched it for at least 3 seconds, etc. So we'll come back with some of those other topics like retargeting later, but this is a great way how she was able to create an ad very quickly, targeting the right people. Step 1. Go ahead and upload your content to Facebook business page. Step 2, go ahead and upload a custom audience so we can tell Facebook who to get the ad in front of. And then step 3, press a few buttons and authorize your budget. And now she's off to the races, and we'll get her ad in front of a lot of people, hopefully create some engagement and drive some showings to her subdivision. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. And Steve Black, if you ever have any other questions or would like us to do custom training for your organization, we also do a monthly members program, which is really affordable, where we do little mini lessons. And then in between, if you have questions like Tana did about how to create a custom audience and run an ad, you can go ahead and ask those, and we'll answer them real time for you. Create little videos and lessons. So Steve Black signing off. If you need to reach us, our phone number is 770-375-5208. You can find us at businesssuccesstraining.com or our business page on Facebook, Business Success Training. Thank you.